Hey guys, we're still at the Xiaomi booth here, and as you can see behind me, this is the Xiaomi Watch that has been launched here at MWC here in Barcelona. This is the Watch 2 series, and I'm also going to be showing you the Watch S3. So quick look at both of these gizmos. Alright guys, so this is the Xiaomi Watch 2 that I am showing you right here. It's a 1.43-inch AMOLED display that you get on the watch. It's quite compact, as you see. Watch faces, it is running on Wear OS by Google, and in terms of dimensions, it's pretty thick. I mean, it's got all the bells and whistles in terms of your sporting suite, but apparently it's running on Wear OS, so that's something that you get. You get up to 65 hours of normal time use from the smartwatch. It's got a 495 mAh battery inside of it. The load time is approximately 45 minutes, and it's got magnetic charging, as you saw. In terms of the processor, it's got a Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor inside. You get 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and basic all network connectivity, Bluetooth 2.5. It's 580 and water resistance, which you get with this smartwatch, and it's got all the bells and whistles in terms of sensors. You get heart rate sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor. You get dual band connectivity also with this watch. So quick look of the Watch 2. Now I'm going to be showing you the Watch S3. So this is the Watch S3, guys. I'm showing you right now. 44 grams, very lightweight. Also in the hands, it's got a 1.3-inch AMOLED display as well, but the design looks kind of a bit different than what you saw on the Watch 2. Now, in terms of other specifications, 486 mAh of battery inside it. The normal use with iOS gets you 14.5 days, and it has an always on display mode. As you can see, water resistance up to 580 m. It's got a heart rate sensor, blood oxygen accelerometer, loading everything inside. It's compatible with it has a microphone and a speaker system inside. Language support, you got Android and iOS support both for this smartwatch here. And just a quick look of what the S3 offers. So both the S2 and the S3 available here at MWC Barcelona, giving you a quick look of what these watches offer.